Criminal investigation is usually conducted by law enforcement officers who has the responsibility to identify, collect, and gather pieces of evidence at the crime scene for a specific purpose. A criminal investigator looks for clues and evidence to determine whether a crime has been taken place. If a crime has been committed, the investigator shall establish the threefold aim of investigation: to identify the guilty, to locate the guilty party, and provide evidence of his guilty. Information is an accusation in writing charging a person or a group of persons of an offense that is subscribed by the prosecutor or fiscal. It is substantiated an oath and includes the name of the party, the offense committed, facts of the offense, and other factors relevant. Complaint is a sworn written statement charging a person or a group of persons of an offense that is subscribed by the offended party, such as the victims of the offense committed, or any other peace officer charged with the enforcement of the law violated. Warrant of arrest is an order in writing issued in the name of the people of the Philippines, signed by judge and directed to a peace officer, commanding him to arrest the person designated and take him into custody the law in order that he may be bound to answer for the commission of an offense. Search warrant is an order in writing issued in the name of the people of the Philippines, signed by the judge and directed to a peace officer, commanding him to search for personal property and bring it before the court. The basic principle of warrant of arrest. Number 1, issued by the judge to a peace officer and commanding him to arrest a person stated therein. 2, it is enforceable within the Philippine territory at any time of the day or night. Number 3, arresting officer must inform the person to be arrested of the crime cause of the arrest. Number 4, arrest is made by actual restraint of the person to be arrested or by his submission by the custody of the person making the arrest. Number 5, no expiration, but within 10 days of its receipt, the officer shall submit a progress report to the issuing judge. Number 6, warrant of arrest is still valid if the suspect is not yet arrested unless the court denounces its validity. The basic principle of search warrant. Number 1, it shall be issued by the judge directed to a peace officer, commanding him to search for personal property and bring it before the court. Number 2, it has a 10-day validity period upon the receipt of the search warrant. Number 3, the issuing judge must be within the place where the crime committed, or the issuing judge must be within the place where the property by be seized. Number 4, in enforcing the search warrant, the officer must observe the two-witness rule in process of search. Number 5, as general rule, it is only enforceable at a daytime, except as provided by the issuing judge to search during night time. Number 6. The officer must follow what is specified in the search warrant to include property to be seized and its location, or house, room, or hotel, and item to be seized. Number 7. The officer has the right to break door or window. Raid. It's a process invasion of a building or area. Raids are usually made after careful investigation and when other methods of accomplishing the mission are not suitable. Probable cause. Mean the fact and circumstances that would engender a well-grounded belief that a crime must be committed, and the person to be arrested committed it. Quality policy. The Isabela State University endeavors to be Quality policy. The Isabela State University endeavors to be lead university in instruction, research extension, and resource generation through continuous improvement of service. To uphold the commitment, ISU shall attain the following quality objectives: sustain academic excellence and quality in instruction, generate research breakthrough, engage sectoral activities for community development, development products for globalization, support students' participation to local and international fora to enhance their potentialities. Comply with the standards set by statutory, regulatory, and accrediting bodies. And review in periodic basis the quality management system, or QMS, and gather feedback on the level of client satisfaction as basis for continuous improvement.